Hey guys, I just left Walmart. First surprise, I saw my cousins there, and I'm like, oh shit, that's them. And it's Jameson and Jaylene, and Jameson's the little redhead toddler. He's in a video from last Easter, where I'm feeding him little baby Kinder, not Kinder, Cadbury eggs. Little Cadbury cream eggs. And I went to toy section and I stumbled across this guy. Yes, it looks really cool. So let's take a good video on him. I'm gonna pause you guys for just a second. So first, here's the box. I mean, people really don't care, so I'm just gonna make it quick. That's how you play with it. Oh, damn it. And, we'll get the figure in just a second. Usual primal attack. Here are some of the other ones. I got all of the current sound strike. It's the new figures. Now, I know some of you nerds. Here it's roaring. No. Just wait. Okay, focus. I know this is really important for some of you kids. I'm gonna pause you guys. Okay, screenshot this if you want. Take a picture of it. That's a really clear picture or scene from my video of the scan code, so you all don't yell at me like some of the other douchebags out there. Don't want to show it to you. There you go. I'm a nice kid. So, this is the Edmontosaurus regalius. Yeah, it's the regalius. No. I don't know. I gotta look something up. I'll look it up later. Well, something's telling me it had hooves, a lot like a horse. But, wait, I don't think it did. I don't know. Like all Mattel figures, the tail is too short, even though it's quadrupedal. So for people out there who wanna, scan this bad boy, there you go. There's the thumbnail. Let's take a picture with a thumbnail. Move my little piece. Alright. So this is the Edmontosaurus. His head goes up and down. Like that. I'm pretty sure you can hear him roar. And the arms articulate. Yeah, but you can move one by one. The legs go out like that. I really don't think it would have sounded like that. It sounds a lot like the Triceratops and the Cryolophosaurus kind of together. If not, they took a Cryolophosaurus sound box and put it in this one. So this is how you're playing with it. Now you guys, you gotta remember. Oh. So that's how you, do that. You just put them in, do whatever you want with them. And I will be scanning this in just a little bit. Oh wait. You know what? I already scanned it. Last night, I might do a video of all the figures that I've gotten. And some extra ones that, like the Spinosaurus Legacy. I scan code that one off the internet, so I got a hold of that one. Like I said, there was like 3 or 4 of them back there. Very nice show off. So yeah, that's the Edmontosaurus. Toodles.